Welcome you back. During this lecture, we will discuss about classification of internal combustion engine. So there are different types of internal combustion engines and that can be classified on the following basis. So first, according to thermodynamic cycle, that means on which thermodynamic cycle the engine works, depend upon that the engine is classified into three types. First, Otto cycle engine, or it is also called as constant volume heat supplied cycle. Second is diesel cycle engine or constant pressure heat supplied cycle. And third one is dual combustion engine. So in Otto cycle engine, or it is also called as what, constant volume heat supplied cycle. In this, whatever the heat is supplied to the engine, that heat supply takes place at constant volume. In a diesel engine or a diesel cycle engine, that heat supply takes place at constant pressure. So depending upon the supplied heat, whether the heat is supplied at constant volume or whether the heat is supplied at constant pressure, depend upon that heat addition process, the engine is classified into Otto cycle engine or diesel cycle engine. If the heat is supplied at constant volume, then that engine is called as Otto cycle engine, and if the heat is supplied at constant pressure, that cycle is called as diesel cycle engine. Third one is dual combustion cycle engine. So in this dual cycle, some amount heat is added at constant volume and some amount heat is added at constant pressure. So this dual combustion cycle engine is nothing but what, combination of Otto and diesel cycle engine. So depending upon the thermodynamic cycle, these are the classification of engine: Otto cycle engine, diesel cycle engine and dual combustion cycle engine. Next parameter is according to the fuel used. So depending upon fuel used, engine is classified into petrol engine, second one is diesel engine and third one is gas engine. So as name indicates, that is in petrol engine, the fuel is petrol. Most of the two-wheelers run on this petrol. As the fuel is petrol, that engine is called as petrol engine. Second is diesel engine. As the fuel is used as a diesel, that engine is called as diesel engine. So some amount light vehicles or mostly the heavy vehicles uses the diesel fuel. Third one is gas engine. So as the fuel is gaseous, like liquefied petroleum gas LPG or compressed natural gas CNG, that engines are called as what, gas engines. So according to the fuel, the engines are classified into these three categories: petrol engine, diesel engine and gas engine. Next point for the classification is according to the cycle of operation. So depend upon that, engines are classified into two types: two-stroke cycle engine and four-stroke cycle engine. So in two-stroke cycle engine, the one power cycle is completed into two strokes of piston and in one revolution of crank. So that engine is called as what, two-stroke engine. If the one power cycle is completed in two strokes and one revolution of crank, then that engine is called as two-stroke cycle engine. Next one is four-stroke cycle engine. In a four-stroke cycle engine, one power cycle is completed into four strokes of piston and two revolutions of crank. That is depend upon the cycle of operation, this engine is classified into two types, that is two stroke and four stroke engine. Next, according to the method of ignition, engine is classified into spark ignition engine, that is called as SI engine. Second one is called as compression ignition engine, that is by which method the ignition of fuel takes place. In case of SI engine, that is spark ignition engine, whatever the fuel is supplied to the engine, that fuel is ignited with the help of high intensity spark. Hence it is called as what? Spark ignition engine. In case of compression ignition, that ignition or the combustion of fuel is start with the help of its compression. As the compression takes place, the pressure temperature increases, and if this temperature increases above the self ignition temperature of the fuel, that fuel gets auto ignite. That means the ignition takes place due to its compression. Hence this engine is called as compression ignition engine, that is CI engine. So depending upon the method of ignition, engines are classified into two types, SI engine and CI engine. Next is according to the number of cylinders. Depend upon this, engines are classified into two types, single cylinder engine and multi-cylinder engine. So as name indicates, single cylinder, that means if there is only one cylinder in the engine, then it is called as single cylinder engine. And second one is multi-cylinder engine. If the cylinders are more than one, that may be 2, 3, 4, depending upon the application or depending upon the power required, that type of engine is called as multi-cylinder engine. Generally these single cylinder engines are compact, light in weight, and used for the light duty application. Multi-cylinders engines are bulky and generally used for the high duty or heavy duty applications. Next parameter for the classification is according to the arrangement of cylinder. So depend upon this, engines are classified on the following parameters, that is horizontal engine, second is vertical engine, next is phi engine, next is inline engine, next is a radial engine. So depending upon this arrangement, that is first one is horizontal engine, means in this engine, if the engine cylinder is exactly horizontal, that is axis of engine cylinder is horizontal, then that engine is called as horizontal engine. Second one, vertical engine. If the engine cylinder is vertical, that is axis of engine cylinder is exactly vertical, then that engine is called as vertical engine. Next is phi engine. If the arrangement of cylinder is like letter V, then that engine is called as phi engine. Next is inline engine. In this, if the number of cylinders are more and these cylinders are parallel to each other, then it is called as inline engine. And next, radial engine. In radial engine, if the cylinders are arranged radially, then that engine is called as a radial engine. So next point for the classification is according to the method of cooling the cylinder. First is air cooled engine and second one is water cooled engine. So depending upon the cooling media or cooling method, engines are classified into two types, air cooled engine and water cooled engine. In air cooled engine, with the help of external fins, that is extended surfaces, whatever the heat from the engine is released to the surrounding with the help of air, that is called as air cooled engine. Most of the two wheelers or light duty application engines are air cooled engines. Second one is water cooled engine. In water cooled engine, cooling of the engine takes place with the help of water, that is with the help of water jacket. Inside this water jacket, water absorb the heat from the engine components and release to the surrounding, that is cooling of the engine takes place with the help of water. Most of the heavy duty application engines like truck, tractors, these engines are water cooled engines. Next, according to their application, engines are classified into number of types. That is, first one is stationary engine, next is automobile engine, next is aero engine, next is locomotive engine, and last is marine engine. So as per the applications, stationary engine means those engines are installed at one location, that is stationary, which cannot be movable. That engines are called as stationary engine. Such engines are used to produce or to generate the electric energy. Once it is located, it is fixed, it is not movable from one location to another, that is called as stationary engines. Second is automobile engine. These engines are located in automobiles like two wheelers, four wheelers. So depending upon the application, that is called as what? Automobile engines. Next, aero engines. If the engine is applied to the helicopters or aeroplanes, that is in space, then it is called as what? Aero engine. Next is locomotive engine, and last is marine engine. If the application in ships like marine applications, then it is called as marine engine. So depending upon application, the engines are classified into this following. So this is about the classification of internal combustion engine. Thank you.